Namaste दोस्तों, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about chapter 17 Yanta Shrisham Adhyaya Sutrasthana. So this chapter is very important for exam point of view and as well as clinical practice. So please listen carefully this video and try to make the notes in own language. So the content of this chapter mainly focused on disease of Marma, the Pradhana Marma, Shiro Roga, Hridaya Roga and Mana Vikalpa. Kshayak, Pidaka, Dosha, Nam Gati, and also this chapter deals with symptoms of Dosha, Dhatu, Mala, and Chaya. So this is the content of chapter. And next is this chapter also deals with five types of Shiro Roga, five types of Hridaya Roga, and 62 types of Dosha, Mana, Vikalpa, and Ashtadasa Chaya 18 types, and Madhumeha Pidika is 7 types, and 3 types of Dosha Gati. So this is the content of chapter. Next we'll discuss about Utma Anga head. So head is the superior part of our body and it is important part of our body. So pranaha pranavritam yatra shritaha sarvendriyani cha yad utma angam anganam shirastah avidhiyate. So head is considered for prana life and for sarvendriya sensory organ and also shira is uppermost area of sarira. So it is called utmanga. Next we'll discuss about Shira Roga Nidana. What is the reason of disease of head and etiology of disease of head? So first is Shira Roga Nidana is Sandharana, suppression of urges, Diva Swapna, sleeping during daytime, Ratri Jagrana, keeping awake at night, and mother intoxication, Uchaiki Bhashya, speak loudly, Pragavata, externally wine, and Atimathuna, excessive sexual indulgence, and Rajadhuma Hima Atapa exposure to dust, cold, and sunlight. And Atiguru Amla Ahara excessive intake of heavy soap foods, and Sitambu Sevana excessive intake of cold water, and Siro Abhigata is injury to head, Prodhana is crying, and Bhaspa Nigraha is suppression of fear, and Manastapa is worries. So these all are the Siro Roga Nidana, cause of Siro Roga Nidana. Next we'll discuss about Siro Roga, disease of head. So first is Ardhava Vedaka is pain in half side. It is also called migraine and Sirodosa is pain in whole head. Pratisayam is running nose. Roga of Mukha, Karna, Akchi, Nasa. And Sirobhrama is giddiness, Ardita facial paralysis. Sirokampa is tremors in the head. And Galagraha, Anugraha, Manyagraha. Stiffness of throat, neck and jaw. So these all are the Siroroga disease of head. Next we'll discuss about five types of Siroroga. It is very important topic. So first is Vataja Siroroga, Pitaja Siroroga, Kafaja Siroroga, Tridosaja Siroroga, and Krimiza Siroroga. So first is what is the Vataja Siroroga? So the Nidana of Vataja Siroroga, the cause of Vataja Siroroga, and also called the hetu of Vataja Siroroga is Uchahi Bhasya. Those persons speak loudly, Ati Bhasya, excessive speech, Tikshna Panna, strongest pungent foods, and Prajagram is keeping awake at night. Sita Maruta, some aspersa, excessive exposure with cold wine. Next is Vyavaya, sexual indulgence. Vega Nigrahatu, suppression of natural urges. Upvasa, fasting. Abhighata, trauma. Bhaspa, Shoka, Bhaya, Trasha, excessive tear, grief, fear, anxiety. And Ati Karsanat, Bharamarga, excessive exhaustion due to weight carrying and traveling. So this is the Nidana of Vataja Siroga. Next we'll discuss about what is the Lakshana? What is the symptoms of what is the Lakshana? First is Sankha Brimsa Nistu Dene, pain in the temporal region, and Gata Samvidhyatam is cracking sensation in the neck, and Tapati Tivedana Bru Madham Lalata, pain and burning sensation in between eyebrows and forehead. So this is the Vataja Shiro Lakshana. And also Siraha Sarava Gurnativa giddiness, Shirodhara Stabda stiffness in neck. Spurtayati Sirajala, the thrombing, pain, and one more thing, patient get relief from Ishnita Ushna Dravya. If patient is suffering from Vataja Siro Lakshana, so then we'll give patient get relief by the with the help of Ishnita and Ushna Dravya. Next we'll discuss about Pitaja Siro Roga. What is the cause of Pitaja Siro Nidana? Ati Sevana of Katu Amla Ravana Chara. Those person intake excessive food of which Katu Amla, Lavana and Chara, Madhya excessive alcohol, and Krodha, Atapa and Anana, anger, exposure, Ushana, fire. Next is Pitaja Sira Lakshana. What is the symptoms of Pitaja Sira Lakshana? So first is Dahati. Dahati means burning sensation. Rujyate means itching sensation in the head, and also pain sensation in the head. And Siraha Sitam Sushyate. Headache is pacified by cold substance. And Dahayate Chakshu, burning sensation in the eyes. Trishna, thirst, Brahma, giddiness, Sweda, excessive sweating. So these all are the Pitaja Sira Lakshana, symptoms of Pitaja Sira. Next, we'll discuss about Kapaja Sirohoga. What is the cause of Kapaja Sirohoga? First is Asya or Sukha, dryness of mouth and eating as per once. Swapna Sukha means sedentary habits, Ati Bhojana of food and listening to excessive intake of heavy and unconscious food. And the symptoms of Kapaja Sirohoga is Mandaroja, dull pain, also slow pain. Supti means numbness in the part of body. Stimita is weight feeling, also light feeling of the body. And Bharika is heaviness of body. Tandra, next is Tandra, and Alasya is laziness, and Arojika is anorexia. So these all are the symptoms of Kapaja Sirohoga. Next, we'll discuss about three dosages Sirohoga. The symptoms of three dosages Sirohoga is solar pain, Brahma giddiness, comfort tremors, Pitta Daha, burning sensation, Trishna thirst, and Tandra drowsiness. So these all are the three dosages Sirohoga. Next, we'll discuss about Cremiza Sirohoga. This is the last of types of Sirohoga, Cremiza Sirohoga. So the cause of Cremiza Sirohoga is intake of Tila, Chira, Buddha, Ajirna, Bhojana. Those person intake food like Tila, Chira, Buddha, and indigested eating food during indigestion, and Buddhi impure food, and Sankirna Bhojana, yeah, also called Viruddha Bhojana, unwholesome diet and unwholesome food. So these all are the Nidana of Cremiza Sirohoga. And some practice is formation of creamy due to Kleta Asrak and proper Mapsana. And the symptoms of Cremiza Sirohoga is Vivatsa Lakshana, abnormal foul smell, and pus discharge from smell, and Vyadam is stabbing pain, and Chedaruja is cutting pain, and Kandu itching, and sopa swelling, and Durgandham any type of smell. So these all are the Lakshana of Cremiza Sirohoga. So in this video today discuss about first is five types of Sirohoga, five types of Ridya Roga, and Mana Vikalpa is 62 types, and Ashtadasha 18 types, and Madhumeha Pedika is 7 types, and Dosagati is 3 types, and also Sirohoga, 5 types of Sirohoga. First is Vataja Sirohoga, Pitaja Sirohoga, and Kapaja Sirohoga, and 3 dosages Sirohoga and Cremiza Sirohoga. सो आई होप ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी तो लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.